Well, if you've been following along in our certified entry-level Python programmer course, you know what time it is. It's time for me to show you my proposed solution to our Section 2 assignment, our number guessing game. Now, remember, my approach is probably going to be different from yours. That's right. There's lots of different ways that we can achieve a solution in Python. That's one of the great things about the Python programming language. So I would encourage you to post your solution to the Section 2 assignment in the comments. It would be great to see different approaches. But with that said, let's check out my approach. So let's go over here and take a look at my solution. Notice I import the random module, and then I create a variable called number to guess, and I use the random module's random integer function in order to create our random number that's between 1 and 100. We're then going to create a variable called attempts and set it equal to 0. Notice this is my counter for the number of attempts. I'm then going to print to the end user that it's our number guessing game, and we've picked a number between 1 and 100 they have to guess. Now notice what I do. I create my while loop. And I did this a fun way. I decided to go ahead and make the while loop always true, and notice we'll break out of the while loop when they correctly guess. Yeah, so that is one way you could approach this. Notice in the while loop, I get their guess, and I go ahead and increment our attempts variable by 1. Then we have our if, else if, and else logic inside the while loop. We're going to say if the guess is too low, we're going to go ahead and give them that feedback. If it's too high, we're going to give them that feedback. If it's just right, if it's correct, we're going to give them their number of attempts and then break from the while loop. So yeah, this was the way I thought to approach this. That would be simple, easy, and very easy to interpret when examining our code. Well, all this is fine and good if it actually works just as we want it to, so let's go ahead and give it a test. Welcome to the number guessing game. I've picked a number between 1 and 100. Make a guess. Well, I think it'd be pretty smart to guess at the number 50, right? Dead in between. Ah, that's too high. Okay, how about 10? That's too low. All right, how about 30? That's too low. 40, that's too high. My gosh, we're zeroing in here. 35 is too low. How about 36? We got it. And our correct number of attempts was 6. I suppose we better sanity check this. 1 guess, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that counter behavior is working perfectly in our application. Again, you may have chosen to solve this a different way, and I would love to see your solution to the Section 2 assignment. Thank you so much for watching, and you know what's around the corner, folks. It's none other than Section 3 in our entry-level programming Python journey.